Hey guys, I thought I'd do another video on train for you. You've not seen him for a few days. I've had a few goes without filming. The last video I tried to do of him, the video got blocked by the people who were doing the Magic Roundabout. But I'm going to try today to do a video because I have something to tell you. Now you obviously know when I get round. Oh. Go on.
Have a go.
Right, this is what I want to show you. His price. So you know his £1 one ride, £2 for 3 rides. Wow. I've got something to tell you. Train takes more than £2. I put £4 in and he gave me 7 goes. I'm not joking, he actually gave me 7. Now I don't know what he did earlier or what it was funny, but I put £2 and 2.50s and £1 and he gave me 7 again, but I don't know if it was because I used them already, but surprisingly he gave me 7 goes. So as a treat, because you haven't seen him for a few days, I thought I'd do a video for you of him working. Now I won't be showing the screen too much because I think that's how I got blocked last time.
Children using this ride
But
should be supervised
yeah,
by a parent
in
or
guardian. But yeah, so let's try it. I've got that there for you to put in. That's £4, no, £6. I'm going to give you 10 goes on him. Okay. So yeah, so I'll just sit you in train and then I'll get him going for you. I'm going to show you what he does. He gives me 7 goes. I'll just leave you there. Right, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to put the 50s and the pound in first. What, and a £2 coin, if I leave that there. Right, if I leave you there a minute, guys, watch
Hello,
this.
What's your name? Would you like to have a go? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
See, look, he's got 7 goes.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's Renini, Lucinini, the magic roundabout. It's Renini, this a joke I'll always all around. For us in the midst of the name. You took a charm with you for the dance round. Look how fast it's going. Cheap roundabout, fun and me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing on Zen along, there's a magic roundabout waiting for you. Sing on Zen, it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, fun and me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you
6
ready?
goes left.
Hold tight. Here we
Here
go.
we go. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. It's Renini, Lucinini, the magic roundabout. It's Renini, With our job are always all about. That's what I mean. You to share with you, but that's what I. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and alone. There's a magic round you up, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
5 rides left, guys.
Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Even more on table, by the way. Just ignore that. Do 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 do. Here's the nearly region roundabout. Here's the nearly. These are Joe Powell, always all around. All the same God is what I need. You to share with you. But the dance line. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and along. There's your magic round you up, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Roundabout, it's really brings up Joe Powell, always on around. And I say that it's underneath. You to share with you, but the dance line. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and along. There's a magic round you up, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Here's the nanny Would you need the magic roundabout is winning? Raise up your are always all around. I'm a sinner, it's what you need. It's a show with you, but the dance right. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and along, but the magic roundabout waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
It's Renini. Renini, the magic roundabout. It's Renini. Raise up your heart, always all around. You to share with you, but the dance right. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Sing us along, there's a magic round the world. Waiting for you, sing the dance, it's for you. I'm filming, Rosie. Yeah, what? Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left.
One more go, then I'll put the £2 in for you.
Are you ready?
And I'll end the video.
Hold tight. Here we go.
Do 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 do. It's Renini. Would you need the magic roundabout? It's Renini. Raise up your heart, always all around. That's what I'm there. It's a show with you, but the dance right. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and along, but the magic roundabout waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout, follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends are waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
Do 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 do. It's spinning, leaning, the magic roundabout is spinning. Raise out your always all around. All the same that is what you need. You to share with you, but the dust running. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and a zen along. Was your magic round the road, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget,
You have more roads left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Do 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 do. It's Nini, reaching Nini, the magic roundabout. It's Nini, raise out your power, always all around. All I see that is welcome me. You to share with you, but the dance runner. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and a zen along. With the magic roundabout, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Don't forget, you have more rides left. Are you ready? Hold tight. Here we go.
The magic roundabout is winning. Be such your power, always all around. All the same, that's what you mean. You to share with you, but the dance one. Come on, the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you, just for you. Signals and a zen alone. Was your magic round your arm, waiting for you. Signals and it's for you. Come on the magic roundabout. Follow me and you'll be fine. So many friends waiting for you.
Hope to see you again soon.
Have a nice day. And there you are, guys, that's Train. I'm only doing 10 rides tonight. That was 10 rides you had on him. Yeah, he takes more than £2 coins, which completely surprised me because I tried with £3.50 the other day, but he didn't take it, which £4 he does take. He won't break or anything with putting £4 in, he don't mind, do you, Train? But yeah guys, so I'm going to edit this video now and try and upload this if this ever uploads, because the last video I did, which was Train's second day video, technically Train's second day, but it was his probably, yeah, the second day, because obviously he came on Friday. 4 days he's been here now. The one got blocked because I was showing the screen to us, but this one I haven't.
What's your name?
Would you like to have a go? Yeah. He's asking for more, but he's not going to be used for a bit now because I need to edit this video. I've still got his poster. Oh, up there. Oh, by the way, guys, this Friday, I thought I'd mention this out because on Friday we've got to move this shed over there because my dad and my granddad are going to put the electric in, so I don't have to use his extension anymore. Train will have to be moved out. I'll be at school when they move him out because I can't get any footage of him being moved out. I'll see if my mum can get some footage of him being moved out, but I don't think she will. But yeah, so just to let you know, he's being moved Friday, but he's got put him back in on Fridays. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, Train, and I will see you later.
Call Northern Leisure on
0113 239 3803.
Go on, have a go.